Okay, this video is on MA7 GR 2.1, GR 2.1, and we're going to work on number 1. So, let's read the problem. It says, what is the surface area of the cylinder that is represented by the net? Express your answer in terms of pi. In terms of pi. So we know the surface area, which is what we're looking for, has a formula for the circle. It is surface area equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. And we're given that 10 is the radius, and for h, we're given that 25 is the height. So all we have to do is plug it into our formula. And we have here 2 pi 10 squared plus 2 pi 10 times 25. That's this one here, and this is the 10. So our next step is to do the exponent and the multiplication here. So we have 2 pi, 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100, plus 10 times 25 is 250. And our next step is to multiply 2 and 100 to make 200 pi plus 2 and 250 to make 500 pi. And then we add these together and we get 700 pi is the answer. 700 pi. Okay?